warehouse hotspots. Investigators, though, have already gone inside and removed security camera video they hope will provide answers. Workers say they're not able to store combustible items. So there are big questions about why this fire exploded. Cell phone video captured explosions as flames began racing through this huge Redlands warehouse.
I looked down the aisle and I seen flames, and so first thing I did is just yell out, fire, fire.
All I could hear is my supervisors yelling fire and to get out of the building as fast as you can. And I just seen people scattering.
Chris Smith and Aquira Canteen tell us they were among about 40 employees already at work at this third-party distribution center for Amazon.
Within 15 minutes, the whole back of the building collapsed and exploded.
Canteen later learned her car was one of the vehicles outside that burned. The two tell us it's fortunate everyone got out.
I didn't hear no fire alarms. I didn't see no fire sprinklers, nothing.
That is highly concerning. We're looking at a modern building with the latest advances installed inside the building regarding fire protection systems. It's highly concerning. That's why we're bringing in outside resources to help us look at the cause and origin.
Fire Chief Jim Topolewski says it's unclear what started the fire and too early to say if it's possibly connected to another 3-alarm fire just down the block at Splash Kingdom Water Park weeks ago. However, he does tell us the speed at which it spread through a structure he's guessing is 300,000 square feet or larger is alarming. How unusual is that? Is that what you would expect with this type of structure?
Highly unusual.
Because there still is some heavy